Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at this as going down at some point to make a way B, but it definitely hasn't turned down yet. So on shorter time frames, I am actually still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is 5 ways down for an A. I still think this is an A, B, C of B. And I still think at some point, maybe even this week, it is going to start to turn down to start this pattern to the downside for a wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, my breaker structure level for the end of this wave C is right here. It looked like price was going to go down and break that structure, but it ended up rejecting the structure. Sometimes a rejection of structure will actually tell you that the trend is still up and that it's going to keep on trending up. I personally, until it actually does break structure, am only looking for longs, and I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, boy, it definitely rejected this structure. I'm actually already long on this thing, and I think there is a possibility that it might just keep on trending up, but I am watching it very closely because to me it definitely looks like a 1-2, looks like a 3, looks like a 4, looks like a wave 5. It looks like a complete 5-way pattern, and normally when you see 5 ways you would expect it to take out the low wave 4. So it definitely could, do something like this, make a lower high and turn back down. And if it does turn down, if it does break structure, I will definitely stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. For now, definitely still looking for longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, I would watch pretty closely. If this does decide to make, some sort of a 3-way pattern up and then make a very engulfing move to the downside with a lower high, then you probably should get out of your longs and maybe even think about going short. For me personally, I would much prefer to just wait for a nice clear break and hold below this structure. Once we get that nice clear break and hold below structure, that is when I will happily start looking for shorts on pullbacks. For now, I'm only on the long side. I'm only looking to go long on pullbacks. And really, if you look at the US dollar CAD trend zoomed out a little bit, there has been some amazing long opportunities over the last several weeks. And the trend is your friend. So until proven otherwise, I think you need to continue to look for longs on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.